Hi riders, today we're gonna see a signal that if it's not the most important one, it is a very good one to detect movement from the bearish market to a bullish market for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is one of the indicators that I love the most for very long-term moves. So for this, we're gonna go to our trading view chart and we're gonna add our trend oscillator indicator. And we have to make sure that these three boxes I checked, the MFI, zero line, actually this one is not necessarily, just these two, MFI and show zero line. Alright, so basically what we want to see here is for the money flow after a bear market, which is when the color flips from green to red and is below this zero line. What we want to see is for the red line to start bending up and eventually flip green. Same here, here, and right now is doing something similar. This is the Bitcoin 1 week chart. So if we see what happened after all these flips from red to green on this indicator, we see very clearly that it was very accurate to predict the long-term movement from bear market to bull market in the past for Bitcoin. You can see here on 2015, 2016, it flipped from red to green right around $300. And then the bull run began and it went all the way up to approximately 20K. Then we went on to bear market mode and again it flipped green right around here at 2019 at around $6,000. It was going up, then came the C19, it dropped again, a small time here spent with the red indicator, then it flipped green again and went all the way up to 60K. So actually we could consider this one as one single move. And what it is doing right now on Bitcoin, and you can see it very clearly, is that it just had a very long, approximately 50 weeks or 52 weeks with a red indicator right here, and it's just now starting to go up on the past weeks, and it's very close to flip green, but it is not green yet. It could continue being like that for a while. But if we see what happened in the past right here, and this is just facts on the chart, guys, what happened in the past is that it stayed red for 49 weeks. So these two are looking very similar. This period was a little bit shorter before C19. It stayed red for 22 weeks. So what this chart is telling us is that Bitcoin is starting to gain momentum. We are not there yet just based on this indicator. We've talked about other indicators in the past on other videos, but just based on this long-term indicator, we are getting close, but not quite there yet. So we have to pay a lot of attention to this chart. And if we go, for example, to another chart, right here we have Ethereum. And Ethereum, in all its price history, we just had one flip from red to green. One considerable flip at last, which happened here. And it flipped green around $150 and went all the way up to almost 5K. And right now is doing very similar to what happened around here from 2018 to 2020 and right here from 2022 to 2023. And this one is actually a little bit closer than Bitcoin to flip from red to green. And we all know that if Ethereum starts trading up, then most probably altcoins will follow. So we have to pay a lot of attention to Ethereum. So overall, guys, be on the watch for a flip from the red to green colors on the weekly chart. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. But before you go, if you found this content valuable for you, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Now, if you're curious about indicators I've been using on today's video and the ones that make my day-to-day trading a breeze, make sure to check the links on the video's description below.